Hey, hey, another song installment with Brian Rivercombe, and we are not in my bathroom. I was a quick-wit boy diving too deep for coins all of your street, like eyes wide on the plastic toys. Then when the cops closed the fair, I cut my long baby hair, stole me a dog-eared map, and called for you everywhere. Well, I found you, flightless bird, zealous weeping, lost you, American mouth, baby, blooming. Now I'm a fat house cat, nursing my sore burnt tongue, watching the warm poison rats curl through the white fence cracks, pissing on magazine photos of fishing lures thrown in the cold and clean blood of Christ mountain stream. Well, I found you, flightless bird, grounded, bleeding, lost you, American now, big bill, stuff going down. Tight soon.